Hi guys, let's say today is the 10th of August 2019 and you receive a retail sales report for the monthly period, July 2019. You are about to issue invoices to NBR for this report and you found out that in this store in particular you got negative quantity, -1. What do you do about it? Well, this basically means that an end consumer returned one product of this SKU to this store. So what you do is you would look for any periods before 2019 July, which is what you're working on right now, for the same store, and make sure you filter it for consignment NBR and look for the same SKU. In this case, for the latest period, June, we actually found it. It's right here. We sold one piece of this SKU from this store to end consumer, and right the next period they return it. So we have to do two things separately. First, this is what actually happens in real life, and we're just gonna describe it with a goods return voucher. Make sure the journal date is the current period that we're working on. And down here, you want to put the store to be the consignment store where they receive the returned product and put the right SKU in here. So this is basically describing what actually happens in July. And there's something totally separate that you have to do for tax purposes. That is called an adjustment invoice, where you got this invoice being issued right now, 726, to bring down the value of the invoice 665 that was issued for the June period down by one SKU. And this is only for tax purposes, all right?